Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both Xiaomi phones. Charge them above 50%, update MIUI, and enable developer options with USB debugging. Once done, install or open My Mover and select sender on the old phone and receiver on the new phone. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi hotspot for wireless transfers or connect via USB-C cable for faster MTP transfer. You do this to establish a secure, authenticated connection so the phone can enumerate files and apps before copying. Once connected, you'll see category checkboxes: apps, messages, photos, system settings, and accounts. Select what you need and consider the why. USB cable gives stable throughput for big media libraries, whereas Wi-Fi is easier for small sets. Tap Start and monitor the progress bar. My Mover lists app compatibility and flags items requiring reinstallation from Play Store. Make sure you keep screens awake and don't interrupt the transfer. Pausing can corrupt partial app data, so let it finish. After the transfer completes, you verify the outcome. Open contacts, photos, messages, and a few key apps to confirm data integrity. Then sign into Google and MyCloud to sync settings and restore cloud data. Reinstall any apps My Mover flagged. Once satisfied, remove the sender's accounts and optionally factory reset the old device. If something goes wrong, first restart both phones, toggle USB debugging, and retry using a USB cable. This often resolves stalled transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.